Do you have a phone? Do you have a connection to the internet? And do you have 5 to 10 minutes a day? Then you're in luck. If you have everything I told you earlier and are currently watching this video, then you can make over $10,000 just by using your phone from anywhere in the world by downloading this free app. Not only can you make over 10,000 US dollars, but you can keep making money on autopilot again and again and have some income to rely on. You can make money just by using your phone. You can be lying in your bed, listening to your favorite music, and still be able to do this. You can be in a restaurant, having some great time, and you can still do this. You can do it from any part of your beautiful home or from any part of this beautiful world. I will show you all of the steps that you need to take. Hey there! Welcome back to another money-making video from Investment Spot, where we teach you guys how to go from earning nothing to earning money as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell to be updated whenever I upload new and trendy money-making videos. Also smash that like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions, ideas, or suggestions. Now let's start making money. So the app that we will be using is available for both iOS and Android. And no matter where you are coming from, you can use it. You might have heard of this app before, so once I show you the app, please do not click out of this video because it is not what you think it is. And I will show you how you can literally spend even less than 5 minutes a day. Just invest 5 minutes a day on this app on your phone and you can make a significant amount of money. The app we will be using is called TikTok. Don't worry, you will not have to show your face because I know a lot of you guys are camera shy, so do not worry about that. This is really simple and literally no matter if you have used this app before or not, you can still do this even if this is your first day online. It is that easy that you could still be able to do it successfully. So first of all, what TikTok actually is for those of you that maybe don't even know what it is, well, TikTok is a free social media app that lets you watch, create, and share short videos from your phone. It's still a new and fresh app, but it has almost the same amount of monthly active users as Instagram. Yes, you heard it right. And that's over 1 billion active users. Over 1 billion active users are on TikTok, which means that there is a lot of potential here. It's really easy and simple to get established even as a complete beginner. Sometimes, less than 10 different videos is all you need to go super viral and make an absolute killing with the method which we will be using in this video. And those videos literally need to be less than 10 seconds long. So if you can just film a couple of 10-second videos from your phone, don't worry, you don't have to show your face and then you can make a lot more than just $10,000. So for step number 1, you need to go over to gearbest.com. And what gearbest.com is, well, this is a platform pretty similar to Amazon where you can buy and sell physical products. You have all categories and all niches, but don't worry, you don't have to sell your products or whatever. What you need to do is you need to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this website and just find and click on this where it says Associate Program that will take you over to this page. You can see that this has unlimited earning potential, and the reason I chose this affiliate program over Amazon Associates is because this one gives you up to 50% commissions, which means if you refer someone to this platform using your unique link and they spend, for instance, let's say $1,000 on those products, you will make up to $500 for free just by referring them to this website, just from one single person. And on TikTok, as you saw earlier, you can reach millions of people in almost any niche and any category. So you will just join by clicking on the button where it says Join Now, and you can grab your affiliate link for some specific product and paste it on your TikTok bio or video. So if we go over to the official homepage you will be able to see thousands of products. And if you create a TikTok page about cooking and you post videos from your kitchen, you can grab some products like a toaster or some knives collections or some other similar kitchen items and put it into your TikTok bio, and all the people watching your videos who are interested in that niche, which in this case is cooking for instance, they can click on your link, and whatever product they buy, you will make up to 50% commissions. So imagine how crazy is that? If you make gardening videos, grab something from the gardening category. If you make car videos, put car-related products in your bio, and so on and so forth. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video. This helps me create new money-making videos for you guys. Now let's get back to the video. There are a lot of different categories and a lot of different niches, and this literally has unlimited earnings potential. So if you have a little bit more time to put into this, you can even build multiple pages in multiple niches, record different videos, publish them on TikTok, have different products in your bio, and all of them can become your passive income machine, making you commissions on autopilot. And one way to maximize your results is to always put in captions of the video where they can check that specific product in your bio. So you want to let them know that they can grab it from you, from your TikTok bio. To summarize this video, just record something you like. It can be about any category or niche. Then put an affiliate link from GearBest on your bio and upload this video to TikTok. Also, don't forget to put this affiliate link on your video caption. And then, these people who watch your TikTok videos can be taken to a different page where they can check related products to your TikTok videos and your page. So if your page is about fishing, then just put fishing products affiliate links in your bio and your videos. And that's it. You don't have to handle shipping or customer support. You just need to drive traffic by posting different TikTok videos all the time. And if you watch up until the end of this video, I am sure that you will be able to follow all of my steps and create passive income and earn money from your home. And that's a wrap. You can now start earning money easily from your home. I hope you learned a lot from this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and leave a like on this video. I'll see you next time.